Hi, I'm Chad with Tagger Room. I'm on location today with Half Price Movers, and we're going to go over the importance of using a mattress bag when moving your mattress, as well as the mattress mover strap. It's a great little strap, easy to use, and really helps out with the struggle of moving the mattress. Hey, wasn't that great? That mattress bag really helps prevent against grime, dirt, sweat, and helps keep everything sanitized when moving that mattress. And what about that mattress mover? What a neat tool. That thing makes it easy when you're handling those bulky mattresses. So keep us in mind at taggerroom.com for all your moving and storage needs.